Philodendron make great houseplants because they thrive in normal indoor conditions away from direct sunlight. If you want to add a philodendron to your inside vegetation. Part 3. Transplanting your philodendron. 1. Choose a planter 2 to 3 inches 5.1 to 7.6 centimeters larger than the root ball. Generally, philodendron plants grow best in a slightly cramped potting environment. If you already have a mature philodendron, you'll have a good idea of how big the planter should be. Use a pot with drainage holes to ensure that your potting medium drains properly. Philodendron plants need moist, well-drained soil. 2. Water your philodendron the day before transplanting it. Check the dampness of the propagation medium. If it feels dry to the touch, add water to dampen the medium, but be careful not to water your philodendron too much. Watering your philodendron the day before you transplant it will reduce the stress on the plant and help make the transition easier. 3. Moisten your potting medium with tap water. A lightweight potting medium ensures your philodendron doesn't become waterlogged. Moisten the potting medium slowly, turning it over in your hands or with a trowel to ensure it's all evenly damp. It should be moist enough to stick together, but not so moist that you can squeeze water out of it. Any quality potting soil works for philodendron as long as it drains well. You can also mix in perlite or peat moss. 4. Fill the planter with potting medium up to 2 inches 5.1 centimeters from the rim. The actual depth of your soil will depend on the size of your planter. However, the root ball of your philodendron should be about 1 to 2 inches to 0.5 to 5.1 centimeters below the rim of the planter. This ensures that the plant will grow at the correct level over the planter. Don't tap the potting medium down or press it into the pot. There needs to be enough space in the soil for air and water to get through. 5. Pull your philodendron gently out of the propagation medium. Grasp your philodendron at the base of the stem just above the surface of the propagation medium. Work it from side to side to free the roots and pull the entire plant out. Once your philodendron is out of the propagation medium, open up and gently separate the roots in the root ball. This will encourage new growth when your philodendron is replanted. 6. Place your philodendron's root ball on top of the potting medium. Set your philodendron gently on top of the potting medium you've poked in the bottom of the planter. Be careful not to push it down into the potting medium or crush the roots. Gently twist the philodendron so that it will sit up straight in the planter and grow in the direction you want it to. If your philodendron is too top-heavy, you might want to hold onto it with one hand until you've filled the container. 7. Fill the rest of the container with potting medium. Start to place small amounts of pre-moistened potting medium on top of and around the roots of your philodendron. Take care to fill in any open spaces between the roots. Gently press each layer of potting medium into the roots to ensure there is good contact between the roots and the soil. Continue to fill your planter just up to the top, gently pressing down the potting medium in layers as you go.